Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Southside Boy Styles here at you again with another video. Today, guys, it's a beautiful Friday morning here on the island. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. That's the best of it. But we're here almost in September, and you can feel that fall air starting to settle in the mornings, which I have no complaints about. It's been very hot, and I kind of like the fall temperature. So anyways, enough of that. Let's get into the video, guys. Today, guys, we're going to be doing a unboxing. It's an unboxing from Amazon Prime, fast and free delivery. We're going to be doing, I have to say, guys, this wasn't supposed to come till mid-September, and it's here on August the 30th. So it's 2 weeks early. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to do an unboxing here, and I want to show you what it is I picked up. So let's take out our trusty knife. That's kind of blunt. I wonder why. Maybe it's because I use it too much. Let's see if I can do all this one-handed here, guys, so I can have the camera on it and, you know, so you guys can see. Now, there's more than one item in this parcel box, whatever, and I have to figure this out, guys. This is a very odd box. Let's see if we can get this open. That's the easiest way. Okay. So, we have another box inside of a box. We have another box inside of a box. And we have another box that's also inside of a box. So we have boxes inside of a box. So this is the box we're going to concern ourselves with. But this is a little hint on the next video. So the next video after this one, guys, well, I'm not sure if it's going to be right after this one. Maybe there'll be a different video. But one of the videos coming up very shortly is going to be of this box. So we're going to lay this over here. And this, guys, this is just a... I don't know if you guys notice sometimes, but sometimes on my channel I do little drone clips and drone videos, and sometimes you see little drone edits within my car videos. Well, guys, one of my batteries for my drone, well, it kind of, you know, died. So I had to order myself a new battery and battery charger, but I'm guessing they didn't send the battery with the battery charger, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, guys, this is a battery charger for my drone batteries, and it can charge 2 batteries at one time. But my battery didn't come with it today, so we're just going to put this back away and just wait for my battery. So we'll put that over there as well. This is the main box of the day, guys. Come on now. We had to get to it at some point, and here it is. This is the main box. So let's open this up and have a discussion about it. Yep, we're going to talk about it, guys. Here we go. And guys, in here we have a little Phillips screwdriver that I'll never use. I actually really like these things. They're really good. So now I have a few of those because I have a few of what you guys are going to see here. This is the unboxing of a Amazon touchscreen double DIN stereo system for Faith's 2012 Honda Civic. I ordered this one from Amazon, and I'll show you how much I paid for it right up here. And this one is specifically for her 2012 Honda Civic. So as we can see, we have Android Car Media Player instructions. We have that little clip. This is for taking apart dash components. We have a pictorial diagram, which is pretty cool. This is the first time I've had a pictorial diagram, and that's pretty decent. So we'll lay that there. And this is an instruction kit, so they're really into it. Here's the wiring and the camera. So we'll take a look at that too, because I'm going to install her camera for her. And we have the wiring that's going to connect to the back of her existing wiring system and then into her car stereo. And we have aux cables. Of course, this is for if you're putting in amps and subs and all those things. Thought something fell out, but it didn't. And I always recommend not eating the silica gel. Come on, guys. Let's not be eating this stuff. It just keeps the packages fresh. And we have an elastic band. Woo, this was the one I was waiting for. Just kidding, guys. It's just an elastic band. Come on. What's wrong with you guys? And we have some screws, because you never know when you got a screw loose, like me. And here, guys, okay, let's see if I can't pull this out with you guys in my arms. Now, I'm really going to talk about this. I'm really going to talk about this, guys. So this is the actual stereo system, and it has the dash component for her car, specific 2012 Honda Civic. So it'll be a, you know, it'll be a decent installation, as if it was an existing stereo in that car, because of the dash paneling portions. And it's basically, guys, the same stereo. If you look back in the videos that I installed in the 2012 Hyundai Elantra, it's the same stereo system. So I know the stereo, I know it's good, and I really like them. I really like these stereo systems, guys. I did reviews on them on the channel. I am no way affiliate with Amazon. I'm not an affiliate with them or anything like that. This is just me doing this and telling you guys what I find is good. And I have these stereos in right now, my 2005 GMC Sierra. I have it in my 1976 Chevy Nova. I have it in my 2012 Hyundai. I really have a problem Honda Hyundai. Why is that? So yeah, I have it in my 2012 Hyundai Elantra. And now it's going to be in Fate's 2012 Honda Civic. So needless to say, I like these stereo systems. They're good. They work really good. And for the price, again, I'll put it up in the window for you. How can you go wrong? Normally, guys, when I order these stereo systems, I order them, and you all can do that. Just type in your make, model, and year of your vehicle, and you can actually order the proper ones with the proper wiring kit for your vehicle, which makes it just basically plug and play. And you know, it makes life easier. And let's go outside and just compare it to her existing dashboard. First thing I want to say, guys, is, you know, Faith is very vertically challenged, which makes it very difficult to even get inside of her car because her seat is actually up against the firewall. No, but it's up there. I literally can't sit in here. I have to put the seat back at least 16 feet before I can get in the car. And there you go. Okay. So here, she has a long thing there. Let's see if we can't just temporarily put this long thing somewhere. So this is her existing stereo system. Nobody uses CDs anymore. Yuck, you're old. Come on, guys. So this is going to be, as you can see, this is a clipped-in dash panel. This door is going to close, and it's really warm in here. And we're going to be taking that out, and we're going to be installing this one, which is going to look really cool in this car, guys. It'll go nice with her dashboard. I really like the dashboards in these cars. and it's gonna look pretty good. And she ends up with a nice stereo system. And well, she's a good girl. She's starting her 4th semester in college right now, so I kind of, you know, do extra things for her because she's doing good and I'm proud of her. So she's getting a stereo today. I think that's going to look really good, guys. So there you have it. That's what's going to be installed. And I must say the finish is the identical color to the existing dashboard. So it's going to look like it was in the car right from the factory, which is what I like doing. I don't like it when you just throw the stereos in and you try to make a face mount or cut stuff out. I don't like doing that. So when I order them with their actual dash panels installed so it fits properly, like I did in the Elantra, which I'll show you now, and you guys have seen that video. For those of you who haven't, well, just look back and you will see the installation of this. Just look back and you'll see the installation of, let's make that be quiet. Okay, so guys, this one had the factory stereo. It wasn't touchscreen or anything like that, but when I ordered this touchscreen stereo for this car, it came with this whole complete section plus a little storage compartment area. South Side Boy style, guys, come on. You can actually buy these stickers. All you have to do is just right here on the channel, you can just click down on more and you can buy the stickers, or you can see it. The shop comes up on the bottom right hand corner of this video, and you can buy these stickers, guys. It helps me out. But anyway, guys, you can see the nice uniform fit that this dash panel fits against this. But so what actually came is this dark panel piece and everything into one unit. And it was very simple and easy to install. I hooked up the rear view camera. I made a video on that, so you guys can check that out. So we're going to do the same thing in her car. We're going to do a video on the installation of the car stereo. And we're also going to do a video on the installation of her rear view camera. And in some circumstances, they actually had the pre-out holes. This one don't, so I'll have to do a little bit of work there. But we're actually going to install the rear view camera in this car. You know, she has a fair amount of work done on this car now, from the exhaust system to the wing to all the stickers she has on it, the colors inside. Good for her. She's done a good job. Please, guys, tell her she did a good job. Make her happy. She's working hard in school. So guys, right now I'm going to start getting ready to install this stereo, but I'm going to make this a separate video. Today I wanted to do the unboxing and let you guys see the stereo, talk about the stereo system. And as I said, here's the wiring for the stereo system. Like, don't let it intimidate you guys. When you order it for your specific vehicle, it's not a lot of work because everything is basically plug and play. Now, when you look at this actual one, this one here is important, and I'll explain that in the video, this USB port. But most of this, guys, is if you got subs and amplifiers that you pre-installed and you want to connect up amplifiers and subs. So a lot that's in here you wouldn't be using anyway, but you will be using the USB plug. And there is a little bit of work to the rear view camera, but it's not too hard. And guys, I'll have it detailed for you in the video that's coming up of the installation of this. So this is going to be the third video. So first video is the one I'm doing now, the unboxing. Second video is going to be the installation of the car stereo, and the third video is going to be the installation of the camera, because that's a job all on its own right there. And again, guys, they're giving you pictures on how to do it, which is pretty cool. You know, a picture's worth 1,000 words, right? Come on. They're giving you the tools so you're not hurting your dashboard. I just dropped this paper. Come here. Guys, the car's blocked in because it's a wild animal, okay? So I gotta keep her, I gotta keep her steady here, guys. And they give you the instruction guides. So, I mean, I'm pretty confident that anybody can do this at home. Just take your time and go through it. Read the instructions, guys. Always read the instructions. And anybody can do this that has general knowledge of anything, I guess. And then there's going to be a fourth video, and this is just a little teaser on what it's going to be about. This is actually going to be installed in the Hyundai I don't know, guys. Hyundai Elantra. So this is going to be the fourth video on the Elantra. Let's just say Elantra. And this is just a little sample taste. This is actually the wiring kit for, you guessed it, subs and amplifier. So here you go. This is going to be the fourth video. This is not going to be a video. This was just in the box, guys. I had to order new batteries for my drone, which I use sometimes in this channel. So thanks for watching, guys. And I'm not going to stretch out the installation video. Like, I'm not going to wait a week and then post it. So I'm probably going to post the installation video 2 days after this video comes out. So just check the dates and you'll see. Probably a couple days after I release this video, the video of the installation will be out. So guys, thanks for watching the unboxing of all of this stuff. And I'll see you on the next video. And I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the dislikes. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. One more thing I just want to mention, and I'm noticing this in a lot of YouTubers lately, and I'm going to say it just as they do. I'm noticing within the algorithm that a lot of watchers are new watchers, so which tells me that a very large percentage of subscribers are not watching the videos. So, you know, guys, you can feel free to check it out. All my subscribers, listen, I appreciate each and all of you. But, you know, you feel free to watch the videos if you like, okay? And don't forget, you can go in, again, I'm going to say it on this video, I stopped all the clothing merch, and I'm only selling right now stickers, which you can pick that up anywhere on this video, anywhere within my channel. There's always places you can go and click on to buy and purchase stickers, and I greatly appreciate that as well. So see you on the next one. Southside Boy Style is out.